Every day on this channel, I cover everything happening at Elon Musk's companies along with EV and tech news. Starting off with Tesla. Breaking, Tesla has announced that FSD Supervised has officially been approved in the Netherlands and will begin rolling out to customer cars shortly, marking the first country in Europe to get approval. This clears the path for approval in other European countries. EU-wide approval could come as soon as this summer. And news, Dutch regulators, RDW, which just approved FSD in the Netherlands, have just issued an official statement. Due to the continuous strict monitoring of the driver in the vehicle, the system is safer than other driver assistance systems. We have thoroughly researched and checked this system more than a year and a half. The RDW has issued a type approval for Tesla's driver assistance system, FSD Supervised. This driver's assistance system has been extensively researched and tested on our test track and on public roads for more than 1.5 years. Safety is paramount for the RDW. The proper use of this driver system makes a positive contribution to road safety. This approval from the RDW clears the path for approval in other European countries. Tesla owners in the Netherlands will be receiving FSD Supervised on their cars shortly. Amazing day. Sawyer said this is a big statement about FSD Supervised from the RDW. Safety is a paramount for the RDW. The proper use of this driver's system makes a positive contribution to road safety. And FSD Supervised subscriptions have just officially launched in the Netherlands for €99 per month. This is a sign that customers will start getting FSD activated on their cars very shortly. And Elon posted, first FSD Supervised approval in Europe. Congratulations to the Tesla team and thank you to the regulatory authorities in the Netherlands for all the hard work required to make this happen. And Tesla will require all Tesla owners in the Netherlands who activate FSD Supervised for the first time to complete a short quiz, ensuring they understand how it works. I'll link this video in the description. And this person posted, well, that went quick. Within 24 hours, I'm already getting FSD. And Sawyer posted, love the new FSD Supervised start page in the Netherlands. Even gives you daily streaks. Would be cool to see this in North America. We can see here the tutorial and quiz here at the bottom. And Cybercab was spotted testing in Kansas for the first time, specifically in Wichita. With Tesla having recently produced a lot more engineering/validation Cybercabs, expect to see Cybercabs pop up in a lot of new areas. And news, Tesla has announced a signature edition Model S and Model X as a final goodbye for these two vehicles. The price is $159,420. Only 250 Model S and 100 Model X signature editions will be built, all plaid variants, as garnet red exterior paint, matching garnet red door handles, carbon ceramic brakes with gold calipers, gold plaid seat badging plus gold piping plus Alcantara seats, gold Tesla T badge, a signature marked door sill, signature dash badging with unique edition numbering, signature liftgate applique, a rear gold plaid badge, interior lighting sequence, signature edition key fob, and more. And he attached these pictures. And Robotaxi driver asked, I didn't see it anywhere on their website. Sawyer said it's because it's invite only, as only 350 between the S and X are being made. And Dare W asked, are you getting yourself one? Sawyer said he did not get an allocation. Moving on, SpaceX hints that it's developing a chip module for Starlink Mobile. A new job posting from SpaceX mentions the company wants to develop compact multi-chip modules to handle radio frequencies for Starlink Mobile. The job posting specifically looks to hire an engineer to develop cutting-edge RF modules for deployment into the Starlink mobile network. This includes designing multi-chip modules containing the RF front-end components for 5G, LTE, and Wi-Fi applications. And finally, Angela Belcamino posted, Dom Luker said he posted 100 times in a week. Now that the money's gone, so are the stolen clips every 15 minutes. Funny how fast content creators disappear when the money does. Imagine if monetization disappeared entirely. This platform would look very different overnight. Nikita Beer, the head of product at X, said all aggregators had their payouts reduced to 60% this cycle. We will add another 20% deduction in the next cycle. It became abundantly clear. Flooding the timeline with 100 stolen reposts and clickbait every day crowded out real creators and hurt new author growth. The next step is to assign a permanent deduction to habitual bait posters who use breaking on every post. X will never infringe on speech or reach, but we will not compensate for manipulation of the program or our users. Sawyer said, glad breaking posts only make around 3.5% of my total posts. And he attached this old post that said, a couple of years ago, I made it a goal to post fewer breaking posts to cut down on sensationalism. And so when something's truly breaking, you know it is. My number of breaking posts over the last 3 years, 2023, 266, 2024, 190, 2025, 148. A 44% drop. Progress. Breaking posts have made up 3.4% of all my posts so far in 2025. Chad responded saying, I hope it doesn't apply to you, Sawyer. He said, unfortunately, it sounds like it will. And that's everything Sawyer posted on X today. FSD Supervised officially approved in the Netherlands, the first country in Europe to get it approved. Tesla releasing 300 units of both the Model S and X Signature Edition. Cybercab spotted testing in Wichita, Kansas. And SpaceX hinting that it's developing a chip module tool for Starlink Mobile. That's all for me today. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Become a member to get early access to videos, and I will see you tomorrow.